As of October 2025, DoorDash does not offer a direct in-app option to delete your order history. Order details, including dates, items, addresses, and payment info, are kept for things like customer support and analytics. While DoorDash's privacy policy, updated in June 2025 due to GDPR and CCPA, allows data deletion requests, it's not a simple process. You can manage future data sharing somewhat in account privacy settings, but this doesn't remove existing history. Clearing the app's cache or uninstalling it only removes local data. The core history remains on DoorDash's servers. In short, there's no magic delete button. Your primary option is to contact DoorDash customer support through the app's help section or via email at support@doordash.com. Requesting deletion requires providing specific order IDs and verification details. Support may remove orders or your entire history if it aligns with their policies and legal requirements. Expect this to take time, up to 30 days. Be aware that DoorDash can retain data for legal or business reasons. Unlike Uber, which implemented a delete trip history feature in 2024, DoorDash lags in user-controlled deletion. Experts view this as prioritizing monetization over user privacy, so while a request is possible, proactive in-app control is currently missing. Pressure from privacy advocates and potential lawsuits might change this in the future.